Welcome to my channel, Dianna's Homestead. You guys are here with me, Dianna. Today we are out here back in my food forest once again. It's a cloudy day. This is what, like the middle of November, towards the end here, and we're in Southern Virginia, Zone 7B, and we are about to plant some potatoes, you guys. Yes, the Irish way is what it's called, and I got that from my friend Qstead Q. She also planted her potatoes. She's already planted hers up in Michigan. I'm here in Southern Virginia, so it's still warm here, so I've been waiting longer to plant them because like yesterday it was like 72. So today I'm going to go ahead and get these potatoes planted the Irish way. We're going to let these potatoes overwinter and come up hopefully in the spring. So if you guys want to come along with me as I plant these Irish way potatoes, let's get into it. Well, you guys, this is the spot right here. I don't know if any of you guys recognize this bed, but this bed I had my watermelon in this past summer. So I am going to go ahead and take this stuff out. We're going to recondition. We're going to recondition this soil, and we're going to plant these potatoes. I don't know if you guys can see them here, but these are potatoes that I grew over the past summer. So I saved some of them, and as you guys can see, they're starting to form the eyes. Check it out. This sucker here is full of eyes, and I'm going to plant it just like this. And I got a bunch of them down in here. Let's go ahead and condition the bed. First off, we're going to go ahead and get what little weeds is in here out. Just a few. And this is some good soil over here, you guys. I really prepped this soil really good over here for the watermelon challenge that I lost. But there's always next year. But this right here was some good soil. I mean, I put a little bit of everything in this soil. So we're gonna get her stirred up here, and we're gonna get ready and get our amendments and put in here. Okay, you guys, here's Dr. Dianna. She's got her medical bag here full of her goodies. Medical bag. No, this is my garden bag, you guys. This bag here has all of my goodies in here that we are going to be using to get this soil amended. Actually, this one's already open. All right, and I got just a little 10-10 fertilizer. Sprinkle that on in there. Some of it fell out. All right, so like I said, I don't use any measurements. I just sprinkle it in here until my heart tells me that it's enough. So we're gonna get this soil right. Might want to wear a face mask. All right, this is the all-purpose plant food right here. We'll mix this all up in here. A little Epsom salt for the magnesium we need. All right, and then we got this. Now last year, if you guys go back and check out my videos, last year I did a video on my potato harvest, and I also did a video planting the potatoes. Now I did not use this. I just used my regular amendment. So this year I am going to add this into my amendments here. I mean, I got good results last year with what I used. But hey, it wouldn't hurt, huh? If this right here will get you even better results. We're gonna find out, you guys. This is all an experiment for me. I've never planted potatoes in the winter or fall. So we are going to do this experiment together. Mix this all in here. We're going to do this experiment together and see how these potatoes turn out. So I've made this bed here specifically for this experiment. So this one right here is going to sit here all winter with the potatoes hopefully in it. Get it all good and mixed up here. Alright. Hey guys, so I got my potatoes all out here. This is what I'm going to be experimenting with this year. So we have what? 6, we have 12. 6, yep, we have 12 potatoes here. And we're going to go ahead and plant them right on in here. And you want to plant them deep. Plant them deep now. Because it gets cold in the winter. Plant them suckers deep. Get them plenty of room to grow. And look how big it is. Boy, I'm not even going to cut them, y'all. Because I believe this right here, leaving them whole like this, might help get them through the winter. I don't know. Like I said, this is an experiment. Normally, I would cut these and divide the eyes up. But I'm just going to go ahead and get them down in here. I'm planting these suckers deep, probably a good 4 or 5 inches deep. Yep. I just want to say thank y'all so much for coming along with me today. Out here on this gloomy day, trying to get these potatoes planted the Irish way. Okay. So yeah, I'm just going down. There we go. I ain't gonna make y'all watch me plant every potato, but just giving y'all the gist of it here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish planting these. Okay, here it is. It's all done, you guys. So I'm not going to water it in. It's supposed to rain, I think later on this evening and tomorrow. So we're just going to leave it like that. We got all our amendments in here. And we're just going to let this go through the winter. And hopefully we'll see what all comes from it. Okay, you guys, so we are all done. We just finished planting potatoes the Irish way. Okay, so hopefully we will get some potatoes next year. We will see. I hope they don't rot. That's why I didn't even go ahead and water them, because you know, it's going to rain anyways, so I don't want to give them too much water. But anyways, so thank you all so much for coming along with me today. Make sure to go over and check out Qstead Q. She's got her potatoes planted as well. We are doing an experiment this year to see, you know, how these potatoes pan out. So until next time, you guys, I will be seeing y'all. Thank you. Bye.